The 2024 mg for X Power is an electric hatch that offers impressive acceleration at an attractive price point. With a dual-motor setup making 320 kilowatts of power, it outpaces some high-end competitors and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The pricing is competitive, starting at less than $60,000 before on-road costs. The interior is practical, with comfortable seating and user-friendly infotainment, although it lacks some sporty touches. The driving experience is marked by exceptional straight-line speed but falls short in handling compared to dedicated performance cars. Safety features are solid, with a 5-star ANCAP rating and advanced driver assistance systems. Pros: impressive acceleration for the price. Competitive pricing compared to rivals. Practical and comfortable interior. User-friendly infotainment. Solid safety features and ratings. Cons: interior lacks some sporty elements. Handling doesn't match performance car standards. Range may be limiting during aggressive driving. Pricing: the 2024 mg for X Power is priced competitively, starting at $59,990 for the 64 kWh model. Interior: the interior is practical and comfortable, with generously padded seats, a simple layout, and user-friendly infotainment. The driving position accommodates various sizes, and storage options are ample. However, the lack of wireless Apple CarPlay and air vents in the rear may be drawbacks. Under the bonnet, the MG4 X Power features a dual-motor electric setup, producing 320 kilowatts and 600 Nm. It uses a mid-range 64 kWh lithium-ion battery, providing a claimed 385 km of range on the WLTP cycle. Charging capabilities include up to 140 kilowatts with DC power. Driving experience: the MG4 X Power delivers impressive straight-line speed, reaching 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds. The acceleration is described as neck-snapping, making it a rival to established hot hatches. Daily drivability is highlighted, with comfortable ride quality and user-friendly controls. However, handling falls short in twisty conditions, and MG has announced adjustments to enhance steering response. Safety: the MG4 X Power has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, with features such as autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and various airbags. Additional safety options are available in higher trims. Cost to run: all MG4 models, including the X Power, come with a 7-year, unlimited kilometer warranty and roadside assistance. Scheduled maintenance is required every 2 years or 20,000 kilometers, with reasonable service pricing. Conclusion: the MG4 X Power stands out for its remarkable acceleration at an affordable price. It offers a practical interior, user-friendly technology, and competitive pricing compared to rivals. While it excels in straight-line speed and daily drivability, the handling and range may be limiting for those seeking a dedicated performance car. Overall, it provides impressive value for money in the electric hatch segment.